friend calls me at 9 o'clock, says get the car, it's time to rock. Never heard him speak this way.
Let's go, man.
Grab the keys and hit the road. It's all a flash, but who would know how this story would unfold? Don't judge me for the crime.
Wrong place, wrong time.
Don't judge me for the crime.
Wrong place, wrong time.
I can honestly say you've been on my mind since I woke up today. I look at your photograph all the time. These memories come back to life, and I don't mind. I remember when we kissed, I still feel it on my lips. The time that you danced with me with no music playing. I remember those simple things. I remember till I cry. But the one thing I wish I forget, a memory I wanna forget, is goodbye. I woke up this morning and played our song, and through my tears I sang along. I picked up the phone and then put it down, 'cause I know I'm wasting my time.
I have seen pain resting on the shoulders of your name. Do you see the truth through all their lies? Do you see the world through troubled eyes? And if you want to talk about it anymore, lie here on the floor, cry on my shoulder. I'm a friend. I have seen, but I have seen death. Live to see a lover's final breath. Do you see my guilt? Should I feel fright? Is the fire of hesitation burning bright? And if you want to talk about it once again, on you I depend. I'll cry on your shoulder. You're a friend. You and I have lived through many things. I'll hold on to your heart. I wouldn't cry for anything. But don't go tearing your life apart. I have seen fear, I have seen faith, seen the look of anger on your face.
if you want to talk about what will be, come and sit with me and cry on my shoulder. I'm a friend, and if you want to talk about it anymore, lie here on the floor, cry on my shoulder once again.